How to make a woman feel sexy. Making a woman feel sexy doesn't have to be a complicated mystery. Whether you are just starting out in your relationship or have been together for years, there are ways to make her feel sexy, desired, and attractive. Through a little communication, physical intimacy, and effort, you can make a woman feel confident and sexy. Using physical intimacy. Wrap your arms around her from behind and kiss her neck. If she is cooking, working on something, or just making her coffee in the morning, come up behind her and hold her. Wrap your arms around her and pull her back against you. Kiss her neck gently, smell her hair, and tell her how beautiful she is. This is a sweet, affectionate way of showing her you want her. The physical aspect of the exchange will stimulate her body, while the kind words and compliments will make her feel wanted and sexy and cared for. Touch her in subtle ways every chance you get. Whether it's holding hands while you walk down the street, or putting your arms around her in bed at night, try to touch her as often as you can. It doesn't have to be gratuitous in public, just a subtle hand on the small of her back, or running your fingers down her arm gently as you stand in line for coffee. Touching her often will serve as a constant reminder to her that you want to touch her and be close to her, which will help her feel sexy and wanted. You can get more playful with this if you and her both feel comfortable with it. For example, you might give her a pat on the butt as you walk past her in the house, or put your hand in her back pocket. Kiss her slowly. Instead of only quick pecks on the lips or cheek, take a moment to really kiss her. Kiss her gently and slowly, and spend at least 15 seconds doing so. Both of you will be able to really relax into the intimacy of kissing one another, and you'll be showing her how much you really enjoy being intimate like that with her by not rushing it. When you kiss her, put your hand on her cheek or the back of her neck, or even into her hair. Get into the moment and lose yourself in it. Use the kissing as a way to show her in a nonverbal way just how much you want her. Take your time with intimate moments. Don't rush things like foreplay if you want to make a woman feel sexy. Really take your time making her feel sexy and wanted and building up during intimacy. Rushing right into sex can get boring after a while, and she might feel like sex has become something she gives rather than receives. Take your time and show her that she can still enjoy it and receive good feelings, too. When being intimate, be sure to let her know that you're enjoying yourself. Be upfront about how she makes you feel, and you'll give her confidence a boost and make her feel sexy in the process. Make her feel comfortable without clothing. Many women have issues with self-esteem, especially when it comes to being nude. She might feel less sexy when she's naked around you, which can make sexual intimacy a little trickier. To make her feel more at ease in the nude, you have to be comfortable in the buff, too. If you're also undressed and comfortable, she might feel more comfortable with it as well. Try leaving your clothes off a while longer than you usually might after you get out of the shower, or be the first one to undress when initiating physical intimacy. Try keeping the lights dim or low when initiating sexual intimacy. She might feel more at ease to be undressed if there are less lights shining on her. Try turning on some sexy music. Slow, sensual music is a great way to set a mood. Music will help her think more about how she's feeling in the moment, rather than focusing entirely on how she looks or what you're thinking of her. To turn things up a notch, you might coyly ask her what music puts her in the mood, and then turn those songs on for her. Try saying something like, "So, what are your favorite songs to make love to?" Then, turn on one of the songs she names. Ask her how you can do better. If you're still stumped on how to make her feel good or sexy, simply asking her how you can do a better job can help. Having an open and honest conversation about how you can improve your sexual relationship by helping her enjoy it more and feel good about herself will show her you care enough to ask and put in the effort. Women are more likely to desire sex if they feel safe and comfortable. If you aren't doing a good job meeting these needs, she may be able to tell you and help you work to correct it. 8.